So here we are demonstrating 3D printer model execution along with insertion of our PLA filament. So here, so if you want to change the filament here, just you can disconnect the old filament and mount it properly, and it should be aligned exactly parallel to normal ground. Then on the power supply, this is the memory card. So in this memory card, push to lock and push to unlock. So we need to load our G codes directly into this .G code extension files. So if you got STL file, just convert that to the G code through online and on the power supply to this. So wait till we'll get the initialized. Sorry, this is the switch. Okay, on. So wait till the booting successfully done, and there we get the. So this is a memory card. So when you just press this, click on this, so you'll get the files. So they are the existing files inside this home page. And now, so here we can go the settings. So if you want to change the filament now, when you insert the newer settings, filament, extrude. So just select the extrude here. So nozzle heating will be done. So you can see the temperature. Once it reaches the nozzle heating temperature of 215 degrees centigrade, then automatically it will do the extrude from there, exit. Right, now once it reached, so extruding started. Right, you can see that. So till the so-called nozzle emptied, so let it extrude completely, and we can insert the new one directly. So only the 10% will be done. Again press extrude till you reach your inserted one. So don't touch it directly, it is 200 degrees centigrade heat. So right, slowly it will taking that. Once it's completed, again press extrude till we get the input to this roller. Again one more time. So it was reached over here. You can observe that slowly it is taking the older filament. As you can sense, when we push it, so it is taking that now. Right, you can see that. Okay, now you can see now roller is taking my filament directly. So we can just clear this. Right. Okay, now the extruder was completed, and now go back. So clockwise, counterclockwise, and push. So these are the two options. Home page. So now go to selector this, and now just put anything over here. So let us go with, so right, I'm pressing this one option. After select that, now it start. So there are one more thing is there. So it has to heat up the plate also. So now the plate getting heating from this. Okay, you can see the temperature is increasing of the plate. Already the nozzle got heat up already. Now the plate has to be heat up. So if when you are starting initially, you're directly selecting the object to be printed, then the both should be getting heat up parallelly. So until it reaches the 215 degrees centigrade, and the plate should be reaches the 60 degrees centigrade. There we can sense it's heating now. Right, now it has reached the temperature. You can see that now it is initializing properly. Now right, just a wire got misplaced over here, so we replace that now. It's working now. So it will adjust X and Y and Z axis. Slowly it will comes to the printing slots. So there we can see the one metal detector. We'll get the light indication over here. You can see that the blue light got switched on is a metal detector. So once initially it will clear the nozzle and then it start the printing of the fish. Right. So you can see the estimated time over here, and the above bar will show the status of the printing percentage. So let us wait printing till completed. Right now you can see the process got started. Right. So this was the previously printed one object. So it passed already 10 minutes of time and the results is printed this much. So almost we have completed 60% of printing. You can see the bar also over there. Right. So wait till the completion was done. So now the status of printing is it's almost at the end of the stage. Right, so we are almost complete stage of printing of this one. Right, so after it's completed, so it will pop up as the information of in 60 minutes 59 seconds it's completed. So after this you can just take this plate gently, right, just you can bend it and will get the, but again place it slowly, check the dimensions, corners, leave that. So check for 4 sides clearly and then you can go with the next printing also. Using this Ultimaker Cura software, we can convert the STL files to G code directly. So initially we need to select the 3D printer model and open the file. So select any file, open that, so it will be pointing over there, and next just use slice. So now it is slicing to convert the this STL file to G code file directly. So as it showed the 5 minutes of printing for that. Now save to remove, right? You can save it to the memory card or wherever you want, you can store that. So that open, and so anything we want to do that, just select the file, open that, and after opening we can see this one and slice it and save to disk. So the name, you can place the minutes also. So as you can see the minutes, how many minutes it will take. So it will be completed. Right, again, so get it from the memory card, from the laptop, from the card reader, and insert that. So wait till it loaded. Right, select that. So we got this one. So now just now we added the some around 3 minutes, right? So you can see the 3 minutes files. Now let us print something duck. Just enter. So let us wait till the heating should be done. So initially it will clear the nozzle as we have done previously. Right. So once finishing is successfully done, it will go back to the home position. Right. Right. So we can take it from this directly. I don't prefer to take it directly, just take out the plate. It's a duck. Right. Completed. Thank you.